So I'm Peter Buczynski with Pharmaworks in Odessa, Florida, and I'm going to show you what we're doing to do our part for producing the different face shields for the medical community. So about 5 days ago we got into this. We thought about how we could restructure our business to make these shields. So we produce machines anyway for the pharmaceutical industry for making the blister packages. And we use the clear PVC for doing that, which is what's needed for the face shields. So what we did was, so last Friday, 5 days ago, we got the equipment. We went and got whatever raw material we could get at the time. So we picked up a bunch of acrylic, 1/8" acrylic. It's all we could get at the time to be able to make the head masks. So then we had to start designing something that would work for that. We went through multiple different iterations. We've been working with another Odessa-based company called iQuest, and he's been an absolutely great partner in helping us to design different head pieces. We worked with the community, the whole makerspace community at Facebook. Got a lot of information back from hospitals as far as what their preferences were. We looked at standards. Had to go with a closed design system here instead. Took it to a testing lab, had them check it for all the different coverages, make sure that we're compliant. And then we started production. So the process is essentially the raw material, we cut it into these blanks over here. So these blanks get set up to be able to fit into our laser cutters that we purchased. These gentlemen are peeling the protective layer off of it. And then we're cutting them here. I'll show you the process here. So the laser cutter is cutting the different cutouts. This one's already done. So here we're in the process. Are any of them cutting? Okay, here. I'll show you here what's going on. We have 4 of these in process. Bob's going to pull them out here. So go ahead. So Bob's pulling them out. And then basically you get the finished product. So 16 minutes to cut 6 of these at a time. 5 of them at a time, thanks. So the finished product looks like this. So basically there's no secondary operations involved at all. There's a face shield, uses a normal 3-hole punch. We added 2 extra holes that can still be punched for the 3-hole punch. So this is a reusable mask. It doesn't fog up. We did close it up based on comments. It's got plenty of room, plenty of coverage here. And we're producing right now 1,500 of these a day. We're going to ramp up one of these machines you see in the background here. This is the equipment that we built. That's a Pharmaworks TF2 thermoformer. And let's walk over here for a second. So it's going to be able to produce 30,000 face shields a day. So instead of forming the material, we're just going to be die cutting them. So essentially we'll be running the material through the machine, hole punching it and die cutting them. So one of these machines can run 30,000 plus a day. We have 2 machines in inventory, so essentially as long as we can get the raw material, we'll do 60,000 face shields a day can come out here, and that's what we can get out into the community. We worked on a standard design to be able to support the community with that. So we're trying to do our part, and we're really reaching out now to try to get material, raw material from any of the customers that we have, anybody in the packaging and processing industry, to be able to get the material, any raw rolls that you have, and so that we could run them through here. We're donating all this material out into the industry. We're not making anything on it. So your donations, we'd be able to state it's coming from you, and we're just a supplier to you at that point. Our main objective, of course, is to get it out as fast as possible into the industry. So any help you can provide with that is you're doing a great service. Thank you.